Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be kicking off Water Marble March 2022 with this purple Holo Taco water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, I'm going to be using Holo Taco polishes. We have Indigo Away, Work Bestie, Board Meeting, and Laven-Duh, which will also be my base color. And once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once you have the bullseye built, you can go in with your orange stick and draw down to the top and then up to the bottom. Well, you know what I mean. And then I'm going to be drawing some petals from side to side. These are a little bit sticky in the water, and so it's kind of creating a little bit of abstract shapes and some wiggliness when I draw across. And for this particular design, I actually really liked how that turned out. So I decided to just kind of embrace it and go with it. Once I've got the design drawn in there, I'm going to kind of eyeball for a good spot, and I'm going to be dipping my middle 3 nails together and then my thumb and pinky together. And I think for this one I'm going to do the thumb and pinky. So I'm just going to line them up in there next to each other and then go ahead and dip. With my orange stick, I'll clean up any excess polish. And once the surface is clear, I'm going to slowly pull them out. And there's the water marble. I'm going to go ahead and use a tweezer to help remove my protection, and then move on to water marbling the rest of my nails. I used a Q-tip to clean up some of the larger areas as well as underneath the nail, and now I'll be going in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I've pressed all the bubbles flat, I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer with a linear Holo Taco. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and although I wish I'd gotten a little bit more of an angle on the dip on my right hand, overall I'm pretty pleased with this. I really like the balance of colors, and I think the linear Holo Taco finishes it off nicely. 2 of these are from the Work-Life Balance Bundle, which I did receive as PR, and if you'd like to see my unboxing of that, as well as the extended tutorial for this, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time with the linear Holo Taco in effect here. And one of the things I like best is that it doesn't obscure the original color of the polish, or in this case the water marble design, but it still adds a hefty amount of holo. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. I hope you're looking forward to yet another water marble march as much as I am. This is the 11th year. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.